Hi everyone, it's Angie. I wanted to come here with a new makeup routine of how I achieve this natural, summery look. It's not very cakey and it's very easy to do. If you're interested in how I achieve this look, keep watching. And thank you to all of the old subscribers and the new subscribers. Don't forget to give a thumbs up. Share, comment down below, and I'll see you next time. Bye. So I did prime my face with the Makeup Forever primer. I don't know. It's just a primer to prime your face. And it's summer, looking for something lightweight. And unfortunately, for people with, dark spots and acne prone skin like I have, you gotta go full coverage or you're gonna see something. The face is gonna be like imperfect. So with that in mind, I'm just gonna deal with it. I'm gonna be using the Makeup Forever in the color 10. It's a tinted moisturizer. And I'm gonna be using 2 pumps of the Fenty Beauty, and I'm the color 390. And that's what I'm gonna use for my whole face.
Spend today in a conversation in the mirror, face to face with somebody less than perfect. I wouldn't choose me first if I was looking for a champion. In fact, I'd understand if you picked everyone before me, but that's just not my story. True to who you are, you saw my heart and made something out of nothing. So I don't need my name in lights, I'm famous in my Father's eyes. Make no mistake, He knows my name. I'm not living for applause, I'm already so adored. It's all His day.
I'm not very good at contouring. So I bought this from Rite Aid. It's a concealer stick, Black Radiance. I don't know, it's cheap. It was like $2. I go here, 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 and I am going to blend it out.
He knows my name. He knows my name. I'm not meant to just stay quiet, I'm meant to be a lion. I'll roar beyond a song with every moment that I've got.
Sephora brand contour palette. I usually use this one, not the darker one. I don't know. It's just, I don't know what I normally use, so that's what I'm gonna use. So to finish the look, I'm going to be using a lipstick, just something not too crazy. It's the MAC in the color Plumful. Just put a little bit. Again, thank you to the new subscribers, the old subscribers. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and I'll see you next time.